Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Nur Aziza. I'm the representative for Group 6, which is me, Raja Muhammad Danish bin Raja Zulkifli, and Adam Syazwi Yunali bin Abdul Aliyy wanted to expose about assessment 1 of mathematical thinking for novice. So, let's start. So, the question is, two friends, Halim and Ina, are antique money collectors. Solve the following problem based on their antique collections. Both Halim and Ina has the same number of antique RM notes. Halim had a number of RM5 notes and 64 RM1 notes. These notes had a mass of 9.45 gram. Ina had a number of RM5 notes and 104 RM1 notes. So, the question above state that Halim and Ina have same quantity of antique RM notes, right? So, I do a equation for Halim. RM5 equal to X over P, RM1 equal to 64 over Q. The mass is 9.64. For Ina, RM5 equal to Y over P, RM1 equal to 104 over Q. And the mass, we don't know. So you can, so X is number of node RM for Halim, Y is number of node RM5 for Ina, P mass for RM5, Q mass for RM1. So the question, the A question, who has more money in notes and by how much? So the question above state that Halim and Inas have the same number of antique RM. So I do a equation, X plus 64 equal to Y plus 104. From this equation, we can transfer and we get X equal to Y plus 40 for equation 1. So we transfer 104, we get equation Y. So the second equation is Y equal to X. Subtract 40. So we do another equation that 5x plus 1 times 64 minus 5y plus 1 times 104. So why the question like the equation like this? Because 5x, x is number of node. We don't know the number of node. So 1, the number of node is the quantity of RM1 is 64, right? For Halim. For Ina, the number of node for RM1 is 104. So we do the equation like this. So next step, we from this equation we get this equation, 5x plus 64 minus 5y minus 404, 104. And then 64 minus 104, we get 40. So 5x minus 5y minus 40. So from this equation, we subs into one of those. either X or Y. So I choose to subs X lah. So 5 bracket Y plus 40 minus 5Y minus 40. So we got 5Y plus 200 minus 5Y minus 40. So 5Y minus 5Y equal to 0. 200 minus 240, we got 160. So Halim has more money in notes and 100 RM 160 more than Ina. So the Halim has 160 ringgit more than Ina. Thank you. That's all for question A. The next question, question B, will conduct by Adam. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I'm gonna explain the way for us to solve the question B. Question B is given that each RM5 node is 0.024 more heavier than a RM1 node. What is the mass of inner nodes in gram? So in the question above, already given that Halim mass money is 9.45 gram. So we're gonna use the simultaneous equation here. First, we will conclude Rm5 is P and Rm1 as Q. We're gonna create an equation with P equals to 0.024 Q and Rm5 equal to 0.024 plus Rm1. Okay. First, then 9.45 equal to 64Q plus SP, which is 64Q is 64 the total of node RM1 and S is the total of RMQ. After we solve this equation, we're gonna get 9.45 equals to 64Q plus QX plus 0.024X. After we get this equation, we will continue to find the mass money of Inas. Mass money for Ina. So we're gonna use this equation, this one. Okay. Y P plus 104Q. Y is this one, X minus 240, and P is this one. So we will get X minus 40 and 0.024 plus Q plus 104 and Q. After we expand this equation and plus to 104Q, we will get 0.024 plus QX minus 0.96 plus 64Q. So if we notice that 64Q plus QX plus 0.024x is just the same with this one. So we're gonna conclude this one as this one. We're gonna conclude this one as this 9.45 gram, which is the money mass of helium. So after we subtract with 0.96, we will get the Ina's mass money, which is 8.49 gram. Okay, that is the explanation for the question B. That's all from me. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's that was all the explanation of how to solve this question from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.